Hey everyone, welcome back to Knoll Tech. Today, I'll show you how to see Snapchat Wrapped and view your memories organized by month. First, open the App Store on iPhone or Play Store on Android. Tap the search icon, type Snapchat, and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. This is important for accessing all features. Now, open Snapchat. You'll land on the camera screen. Look, for the media icon, it's right beside the Snap button at the bottom. Tap on it. This takes you to your Snapchat gallery, also known as Snapchat Memories. Here's where Snapchat Wrapped organizes everything. You'll see your media wrapped into sections by months, weeks, and even memorable days. For example, if you want to see all your snaps from February, simply tap on the February Wrapped section. All your snaps and memories from that month will appear instantly. And that's it. Super simple way to view your Snapchat Wrapped and revisit your favorite moments. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.